In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly open a slideshow in Google Slides and set it to autoplay, perfect for situations requiring a hands-free presentation. Let's dive right in and make sure your presentation flows effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by opening your slideshow in Google Slides. Navigate to your desired presentation and get ready to enter presentation mode. This can be done with a simple click on the Present button at the top right of the window. Once you're in the presentation view, notice that your cursor will need to move to the bottom left corner of the screen. This step is crucial because it brings up the presenter toolbar, an essential component for setting your slideshow to autoplay. Now that you've accessed the presenter toolbar, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon, also known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Autoplay or Auto Advance. Select this. It might seem straightforward, but this feature gives you control over the pacing of your slides, perfect for keeping your audience engaged without manual intervention. After you've selected Autoplay, it's time to decide how long each slide will remain on the screen. Consider the content on each slide and the amount of time you think your audience needs to absorb the information. A standard rule might be around 5 seconds for text-heavy slides, but feel free to adjust based on your specific needs. Google Slides offers several timing options, so take a moment to find the one that best suits your presentation style. Next, there's an option to loop your slideshow. Selecting the loop option ensures that once your presentation reaches the final slide, it will automatically start again from the beginning. This feature is particularly useful if your presentation is set up in environments like trade fairs or exhibitions where your audience might join in at any point and watch complete cycles until they've absorbed all the information. Having set your preferences for timing and looping, you're ready to let your presentation take the stage. Simply hit the play button and watch your Google Slides deck run automatically. Your hard work in creating an engaging slideshow can now truly shine as it cycles through at just the right pace. When you're ready to stop the slideshow and perhaps take a few questions, press the ES key on your keyboard. This will seamlessly exit the presentation mode. Remember, these settings are perfect for ensuring that your delivery is smooth and professional, allowing you to focus on interacting more directly with your audience instead of worrying about what's happening on the screen. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do in maintaining the flow and impact of your presentations.